Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to the Izzy Budgeting and Coupon community. I appreciate everyone joining me for today's video. For anyone that's new to my channel, my name is Araseli and I'm on a budgeting journey to gain financial freedom and be debt-free. My overall goal is to learn how to spend and save money with a purpose and goals in mind. My channel includes all budgeting related, cash envelope stuffing videos, and as an added bonus, couponing videos, as I believe the two can go hand in hand to help you save more money. In today's video, I wanted to start it off by sharing a quote I saw the other day. Don't underestimate the power of small habits. So I want you to think back when you first started living on your own, paying your own bills, day-to-day expenses, and were telling yourself, I need to make more money so I can save up for a new car, buy my own home, start saving for retirement. But fast forward to today, you are more than likely making more money. However, many individuals, including myself, fall into a money cycle where we make more money, but we automatically spend more money. But starting today, I want to encourage you to start adding in some small habits into your current lifestyle so that you can start seeing big changes to live your best life. Key is to learn how to save money towards future goals and invest in yourself first. And it all starts with living within your means. But going back to the quote, don't underestimate the power of small habits, and look at it this way. If I save $1 per day for an entire year, that equals $365 at the end of the year. Or if you save $10 per day, that equals $3,650. Every little bit counts and adds up quickly. It's those small victories that keep us motivated to save more. Or if you look at your day-to-day expenses, let's look at dining out, for example. If you simply save $5 a week, that is $20 at the end of the month that you can save or roll over to another expense such as groceries to reduce costs there. Now, take this concept and apply it to other areas in your life. For example, I'm looking for ways to improve my health by exercising more. Small habits. If you start by exercising 10 minutes a day, that will equal to over an hour at the end of the week until you slowly increase your time and start walking 1 mile a day. 1 mile a day equals 365 miles at the end of the year. The overall message here is small habits will end up making big changes in your life. You can always count on having unexpected expenses. However, learn to live your best life while solving and saving up ahead of time. Empower yourself so that you can feel more in control of your life by telling your money what to do. Let's go ahead and get started to see how much we will be cash stuffing for my second paycheck of February. With every second paycheck of the month, that typically means I'll be taking money back to the bank and paying bills and debt online. So let's start off with my income category here. Under my paychecks, $1,250. Extra money here is, let's see, $45 here. I did work a little bit of overtime. Future money is blank for now, but I did file my taxes and I'm happy to say I'll be getting a refund. It will be less than last year, but that was expected, as I decided last year that instead of my money sitting somewhere and losing value with inflation, I'd rather have it now to pay down debt. But I'm excited to share how I'll be allocating that money in an upcoming video. But if you have been following me, you know exactly where I'm going to be putting that money towards. So that brings my income total to $1,295. So let's go ahead and start counting here. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. 51, 52, 250 brings it to 950. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60. That's going to bring it to 1,210. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1,270, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, brings it to 1,295. Next, bills category. Mortgage is going to get its usual 375. So we have 2, 3, 50, 75. Next, utilities is 160. So I'll continue to budget 160, and hopefully this number continues to go down. So we have 150, 60. Up next is internet, $20. Cell phone is also getting $20. TV subscriptions, $10 here. Under transportation, car payment, it's going to get its usual $100. And insurance, car insurance, $30. So I'll budget $30 here. So that takes care of bills here. So what I'll do is I'll put this money along with last week's bills envelope here. And actually, let me get my banker envelope here. That way I know that we'll need to take this money back to the bank. So I'll put it aside here for now. Now let's move on to the debt category down here. I will be paying an extra payment this pay period to help reduce my debt balances here. So under personal loan, I do have $25 and an extra payment. Citi credit card is getting $50. And for my Visa credit card, I'm going to make an extra payment of $75. $50, $75. So that takes care of debt. And then similar to the bills category, I'll put this money with the debt envelope from last week and add this to my banker envelope and take it to the bank and pay some bills. Next, for my day-to-day expenses here, first envelope is groceries. Now it does include household items, so let's look at the tracker. Nothing left over, but I'm going to continue to add $220 to this envelope. It's been still a struggle to stay within budget with the increase of prices, but I'm hopeful that we'll start to see those prices come down soon. There's groceries. Oh, and also, although it's very encouraging to see many individuals reach out and show interest in learning how to coupon, one thing I do want to stress is setting a budget. When I decided to add couponing videos to my budgeting journey, it was to share ideas and ways to save money. I simply wanted to provide this opportunity, as I know many locations don't provide or even accept coupons at their grocery store. Next, dining out. I don't have anything left over, but I will continue to budget $20 in this envelope. There we go. And then next is car. Nope, we don't have anything left over, but we're going to add $75 to this envelope. I really want to build up to start saving extra for when we have our yearly fee due in a few months, and car maintenance when needed. So we have 50, 75. And let's see here, up next is health. For health, it's going to get its usual $20, but let me check to see how much we have. Actually, make sure I don't forget. So let's see here. It says it should have 50, 20, 40, 50, and then we'll add this 20, making it 70. Now, I do currently have a FSA through my job, which I typically just elect the deductible amount just in case we need it. But any money added to this envelope is mainly for out-of-pocket expenses that my insurance doesn't cover. So next is clothing. Clothing, I will add $10 again. Oh, upside down. So let's see how much is in this envelope. Have 110. That makes it 120. We do have some celebrations this year, so I will need to increase the amount next time around to help build this fund also. What's next? Entertainment. Entertainment, I don't believe, no, we don't have anything left over, but I will continue to budget $20 again. And then finally, miscellaneous envelope for life happen moments. Let's see, I don't empty, but we'll still continue to budget $20. Okay, so that takes care of our day-to-day expenses. So up next, we have our savings category here. Now, I will be moving the money for my future funds envelope to the individual envelopes that I have in my binder here. But first, actually, let me make sure I have the money here. So there is $45 in extra money. So let me go ahead and make sure I have enough here. So future funds 25, and then for savings challenges 20. So I'll put that aside here. And let's go ahead and count here. Yep. So we have 50, 20, 40, and then 90, 105 here. Alrighty. Now, if you've been following me from the beginning, I do prefer to call sinking funds future funds, because the word sinking to me just sounds like I'm losing money, but it's actually the opposite. So going forward, I'm going to be changing my mindset to invest in myself first through future funds. Now, depending on what expenses may be coming up first in the year, I will prioritize those envelopes first. So the order of my stuffing might not always be the same, but I will always try to put some money in, even if it's a couple of dollars. Alrighty, so let's see here. So let's go ahead and start off with emergency envelope here. I don't have a goal in mind yet, but $1,000 sounds like a good starting number, and we will just go from there. I believe the recommended amount is around 36 months worth of income. So for this envelope, I am going to, let's go ahead and just take care of this 50 here, as I consider emergency envelope an important envelope. Next, I have self-care. I know it's easy to put ourselves last sometimes, but always remember you're worth it and deserve to live life to the fullest. So let's go ahead on this one here. We'll go ahead and do $10. Next is celebrations. This envelope is mainly for birthdays, weddings, holidays. So here, let's go ahead and add $20 here. Oh, did I close it? Oh, there we go. The struggle is real. Alrighty, let's go ahead and add in that $20 in celebrations. Next is my new chapter in life. I decided to add this envelope as a reminder to work on my dreams. Some individuals, it might be to travel, be your own boss one day, whatever it may be. This envelope is to make sure that you're working to make that happen. So for this envelope, let's go ahead and add $20. And then finally, retirement. Now, I am currently contributing to a 401k through my job. So with this envelope, I want to look into investing money. Now, I have zero knowledge, but with inflation being crazy right now and cash losing value, I'm interested in learning to invest money. For today, let's go ahead and just put in $5. Awesome, that takes care of future funds. So we'll put that to the side here also. And then let's look at our saving challenges. Now I am currently working on 3 saving challenges. Save the date, spend less, save more, and then the 1 month ahead. So let's see how much we have here. So we have 20, 40, 60, and then with the 20 today, we have 90. So what I think I'll start doing is creating an envelope for each of these saving challenges for next time around. But for now, let's go ahead and just keep it in the envelope, and then we'll take care of separating it out next time around. Awesome. Alrighty, so final step, looking at our budget summary, making sure that all dollars have been accounted for, 0 left over, perfect. So I'm gonna end my video here. Keep in mind, life brings changes every day, and your budgeting journey will also change along with it. So be open to change and the possibilities out there. Learn to be comfortable with the uncomfortable so that you can grow as an individual. For the rest of the week, take a moment, write down some small habits, and start doing them over the next few weeks. And a little preview for next time, since this video was on creating small habits to hopefully get you to save more, it only makes sense to make a video on what I consider bad habits keeping us living poor. So stay tuned. And until next time, always remember to go out there and make a difference in someone's world and make their day a little better. And if you found this type of video helpful, let me know in the comments, and please share it so it can help reach other individuals who are searching for ways to change their life financially. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the like, subscribe, and notification bell to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.